everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be good if I showed you guys everything that I eat in a day, but this is like an infertility version because I will be doing my frozen embryo transfer very soon. We don't have the date yet because it just kind of depends on my hormone levels and my uterine lining, the thickness of it and all of that. So I will be going back to the hospital on Friday. Today's Wednesday. Do another blood work and ultrasound. She told me to have all my meds ready for my transfer, like all my transfer meds, because it will be like as early as Friday that I start my meds. But for now I'm cruising. I'm just trying to live every day as stress-free as possible and just keeping things very normal. I am trying to eat healthier, but my whole family's in this phase where we're trying to eat healthy just in general. And like without even trying to, we've just been eating healthy. We've been sticking to either like a Mexican or Mediterranean diet. And I think it's because it's a summer too, that it's just like easy to eat those meals instead of something like heavy and cozy or anything like that. So today I'm just staying home all day and I'm just gonna show you everything that I eat. We'll start off with breakfast. I am cutting down my caffeine. So I do maybe like 2 to 3 cups of coffee a week. And I only drink coffee if I absolutely need it. I did pick up this matcha from Costco and it was only $19.99. I thought, why not try it? Because I have my whole matcha set up. So I'm gonna try this for the first time. And I usually, to be honest, don't really do breakfast. If I do, I did do an hour of Pilates today and I'm a little bit hungry, not too hungry, but I'm gonna make myself eat. I'll have 1 boiled egg and some blueberries I'm gonna wash up right now. Shino, do you want a boiled egg? Oh shoot, did I crack it? Fruits these days have been so expensive. No. All right, blueberries are washed. I'm gonna go ahead and work on my matcha. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm a little like, is it gonna go okay? But we'll try my best to work on my matcha. Let me rinse this. I didn't use this in forever. Okay, well, I'm not gonna use this because I just got this wet. I have this new milk that we're trying now. It's protein plus. I am trying to increase protein by a lot. So I have been doing a lot of things that are not protein powder, but like actual protein from food. This, because I want it to mix well. I think I put a little too much matcha in. The color is very green. I think this will definitely caffeinate me throughout the day. Okay, I'm gonna start plating my blueberries and my eggs. This is the egg that I thought I didn't crack, but 1,000% it did. I have blueberries and an egg and matcha. Some of these are tart. You know, I think these blueberries are the tart ones you like. I asked my doctor if there's anything I can do to prepare. And she said, like, in my control, there isn't that much I can do other than eating a very healthy and clean diet and continuing to exercise and just try to be as hopeful as possible. So that's exactly what I'm doing. For protein, I do all the proteins actually. I do pork, I do beef, I do seafood, I do chicken, a lot of chicken, but I think I try to stay closer to chicken and fish than anything else. Found this one Instagram page and she shows you like different fertility yoga stretches that helps improve circulation down in the pelvic areas. So I think I'm gonna start doing that. I currently do 1.5 Club Pilates 1.5, which is like the intermediate classes right now, and I do that about anywhere from 5 to 6 times a week. Starting this week, which is most likely the week before my transfer, I will be doing 4 times, and then I think I'm gonna trickle it down to 3 times and then bring it down to like the lower level classes, only because sometimes it can be really straining and we do a lot of core, and I don't think that's the most healthy for me right now, at least until it sticks. So my thing is like, until I know it implants and I am pregnant, I'm gonna go easy on the workouts, but I will be doing a lot more walking on the days that I'm not going to class, because I realized that when I looked at a lot of the stretches, I'm like, oh, we already do this during warm-up and the cool down section of the class. I have been feeling very like inflamed puasa is what it is in Korean, and I think these Pilates has definitely helped me a lot. I want to continue to move my body a lot so I don't feel like so like bloated all the time. I don't know if that's the right word. I'll just be at home editing today. I'm done with my breakfast. I'll continue to drink this while I do some work, and I'll see you guys for lunch. It is now lunchtime. I decided to do something just lazy. So I'm gonna do this chicken that I've been eating a lot, and it's low carb, high protein, which is what I need. So I'll stick like maybe 3 of them into the air fryer. And then I have some pita bread, and I'll have this with some lettuce and avocado, some lettuce. I have some guac, sour cream, maybe a little bit of cheese. We'll figure it out, but let's get this into the air fryer. Well, this is what it looks like. These are pretty big, so I'll probably just do 2. Pita bread here. I have a handful of some tomatoes. So for my drink, I'm actually gonna I've been doing pomegranate and beet juice. This is the only brand I will drink from because I feel like it's like the most pure concentrate, not like artificial. I usually mix both of these. I don't do too much because it is like high in sugars. So I'll just add, I estimate it like that much. The beet juice. So it's really not that much. Maybe like a half a cup. I'll mix some water with this. so I think the chicken's right about done. So I'll go ahead and we will plate my food. It's into the air fryer. Now it's like about to pop. But it made its pocket, which is what I wanted. Steaming. Put a little bit of this on the side. Let the sour cream. Maybe I'll cut this. Have the extra there. I'll just have to leave it on the side because there is no space for it. And that is my lunch. Alright, I just realized that I didn't add cheese, but I don't think I have space for that anyway, so I'm gonna add a little bit of each to each bite. The salsa. I really think that the most important thing is to not get stressed. So I think that, like, unless you're eating like really unhealthy, if eating super healthy is gonna stress you out, I think it's just better to do what you normally do. If eating and preparing fish and chicken and all of this is gonna stress you out, like for me, I had chicken out that I was gonna grill, but I was like, I just don't feel like it. I opted to choose this frozen chicken that I had in the freezer. Yeah, I mean, it could be healthier if I decided to grill my own chicken, but if that's gonna stress me out, it's better to just eat like this. This is actually really not bad. I don't love beet. This is the only way I will have beet. I don't know why I really like this chicken. So yeah, this is my lunch. It's gonna be very filling, and I'll see you guys again for dinner. Okay, the storm was a little crazy. The power went out. But it's dinner time and we're gonna make some salmon that I can quickly air fry. These I got from Costco. They're already seasoned. I'll go ahead and stick that into the air fryer. We are on a slight time crunch. We have to go somewhere. So I'm just trying to do something quick because we have to be out of here in like 45 minutes. So we'll do a little bit of salad, black beans, and the salmon. Let's get started. Okay, this is the salmon that I had. I had it defrosting in the fridge all day, but still a little hard. I mean frozen. So for salad, I have some tomatoes, cucumber, and some lettuce. Add some oregano, black pepper, salt, and I have this olive oil that I use a lot. It's lemon. That'd be a really good addition to this. And this is my dressing for the entire salad. I'm not adding more. And I'll just top it on top of the lettuce. And that's pretty much it. Crack open a can of black beans. And this will kind of act as our carbs for tonight. So black beans are drained. I need to finish draining this. Okay. and dinner is served. Oops. Let's dig in. I'm eating a lot of salad right now. It's a lot. Salmon first. I hope you guys found today's video helpful, and if you have any suggestions for transfers or any good luck or letting me know that you're gonna pray for me, I would really appreciate that, and I will update you guys. The next video will be about my actual transfer. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys soon with an updated video, but hopefully this kind of gave you some ideas. I know it was a very lazy version, like I feel like I barely cooked today. But I feel like this is like kind of my day-to-day normal. I'm not always cooking up really fancy meals and doing a lot of cooking, but sometimes it's more like this where I just heat things up. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next week with my embryo transfer.